We've all been there trying to jack up your car, finding the pinch weld to the right location, getting it up on jack stands. Cut yourself a break with a set of Steeda jacking rails. Here we have the Steeda Ultra-Lite low-profile bolt-in jacking rails fitting your 2012 Plus Focus ST and Focus RS. This will also fit other Focus trim levels as well. If you're the kind of person that loves to switch out your wheels and tires out at the track, whether it's autocross or an actual track day or even the drag strip, these are the jacking rails for you. What this does is allow you a nice clean surface along the pinch weld to jack your car up on either side so you can easily swap wheels and tires. Let's be honest, the pinch weld is very small. It's easy if you're on the side of the road and you need to jack your car up to swap in the spare, but if you're doing it periodically and you don't want to damage the pinch welds over time, the Steeda jacking rails are the way to go. These Focus bolted jacking rails feature the same exact material we use for our Foxbody frame rail connectors, keeping those Foxbodies from flexing for over 35 years. These jacking rails feature a wrinkle black powder coated finish that you know will last the test of time. Now let's talk about hardware. This kit includes everything you need from a hardware standpoint for an easy bolted installation. We have wrinkle black powder coated hardware as well as zinc plated and 10.9. You really can't go wrong because this entire kit will last the test of time regardless of how many times you need to jack up your Focus to get those track tires on there. These products are designed, engineered, and manufactured right here in the USA at our Valdosta, Georgia manufacturing facility. They have a limited lifetime warranty, so if you have any issues with them, please do not hesitate to reach out to our talented customer service team because we'll be happy to take care of you. Aside from that, we're going to show you a step-by-step installation right now. Here are the tools required for installation. Get your car in the air or on some ramps and remove the 3 bolts holding the plastic panel located in front of each rear wheel. Use a panel removal tool to release the clips from the body. Up front, you want to remove the 2 outermost bolts holding this cross brace up. Grab the offset stud and feed it into the hole shown here. Now you can get your flag nut and place it in the rear. Slide it into the larger hole and orient it so the locking part of the nut is facing down as shown here. Next you can put your jacking rail up into place. The side with the longer tab will face forward and actually goes between the cross brace and the frame of the vehicle. Make sure the stud goes through the center hole and you can get the nut onto your offset stud and then the bolt through the cross brace and your jacking rail and into the car. In the rear, you want to hold onto the flag nut with one hand through the larger opening and get the bolt started and threaded into place. Begin tightening everything down evenly, starting with the front and ending with the rear. You want to tighten that offset stud with the nut by hand. And then move on to the rear. Reinstall a plastic panel. And you can repeat the same process on the other side, and then your installation is complete. Whether it's the track day or your driveway, adding this jacking rails for your Focus is a great modification, whether you're swapping wheels and tires, working on brakes, or anything else underneath the car. Hit us up right here at Steeda.com for all of your Focus part and accessory needs. Comment below and let us know what other videos you want to see right here on the Steeda YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.